Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Pinterest profile picture. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen, and then you want to scroll a bit up. Once you scroll a bit up, you will see the option called Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile. From over here, it's going to show you your current profile picture. My profile picture is this green O. Right below which you can see the Edit button. You want to click on the Edit button. Now, you want to click on Take a Photo or Pick from Camera Roll. So I will take a photo with my camera, so I will choose that. But if you want to choose a photo from your gallery, click on Pick from Camera Roll. So I'm going to take a random photo using my camera. So this is basically it, and this is going to be my profile picture. I can even choose which size I want to put it over here, or zoom in, zoom out, and click on Use Photo at the bottom right of the screen. Once I do that, my profile picture will be changed. Now I can click on Done at the top right to confirm this change. So that is how you guys can change your profile picture on Pinterest. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Pinterest related videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.